Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dolores Aranji, and I kindly ask you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So tumekaa sana bila kupika, but leo hatupiki. Today we are going to bake. We are going to bake a cake, and this is a very special cake. As you know, like in baking, you need an oven, you need eggs. You need, what else do you need? Uh-huh. Like you need so many ingredients in baking, but this is making it special because you're going to use a microwave. Shaitumia microwave kupika. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to use a microwave while baking. And we are not going to use eggs. For those who don't like eggs, this is the recipe for you. And this is a cake like you can bake hata kama umechelewa kwenda job, kwenda shule, kwenda wapi, or you are from work, you are from school and you want to eat a quick snack. Ni kitu unatengeneza with 20 minutes, your cake will be ready. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to bake a cake using a microwave. And I hope you guys will enjoy the video and kindly subscribe. And straight to our ingredients. Na msimind my space. Tuanze hapa. So this is the big spoon. We call it the tablespoon. So this is 1.5 tablespoon of butter. This is salted butter. This is 3 tablespoons of milk. This is 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've used white sugar. I've used brown sugar, sorry. Two of them. And here we have 3 tablespoons of flour. Mnaitanga? What do you call it? There are some who call it flour, others flour. I don't know. Okay, as long as we understand, 3 of them. And then in our flour, I've mixed with a half teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon yaka kadogo ka kukoroga chai. Half of it of baking powder. And our baking tin will be this cup. This kind of cup. Don't use melamine cups because they are not fit for the microwave. So use this kind of cup and make sure hata kama it is glass, it is microwave safe, that it cannot break, it cannot break, it cannot melt. Make sure it is microwave safe. So for me, I'm going to use this cup. And now to our method. I will first melt the butter. I'll use the microwave to melt the butter. So let me first melt the butter. So after melting the butter, I'm going to add the cocoa powder. And then I stir until there are no lumps of the cocoa. Make sure there are no lumps. And then in it, I'm going to add my sugar. will stir until it is well mixed. Then I add my flour. So I add my milk. After adding my flour, I add my milk, and then I stir. So this is after mixing everything. For me, I had to add milk, more milk, to get the consistency. We are done with the mixing, and at this particular point you can add a chunk of chocolate. Kama unataka kupata hiyo decadence, to add more flavor to your cake. But for me, I don't have chocolate, so I'm not going to put. But for those who will love more chocolate on the chocolate cake, you can add a chunk of chocolate. So it's ready. We are just gonna put it in the microwave. It may bake for 5 minutes, and you can see inside, but the cup is messy, so imemwagika kidogo. I think I put too much in a small cup. Like, you have to put half of the cup. Because it has baking powder, it will rise, so you have to put half of the cup. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoops. Look at our cake. See? Acha niweke kwa kadish. That's our cake, guys. If you want to eat it, mtu anakudianga kwa cup. But see, imeiva vizuri. It's spongy. Nana, spongy. So that's our chocolate microwave cake. It was successful. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.